Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable website link to Facebook post. So this is my channel and I want to post this video link to my Facebook post. So I come here and let me delete this and I need to paste the link here. Wait for a few seconds and you can see that a preview is generated. So here I'm going to add watch basic learning video about editing. So you can change audience from here. So I want to share it as only me. Then you need to click on post and wait for a few seconds. It will be posted. And here you can see that once someone see my post and he click on that and he will redirect it to this video. So this is the process how you can add clickable website link to Facebook post. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.